So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Instagram account quick, fast and easy. Let's get right into it. Now come down and click on your profile picture. Once you click on it, you just wait for it to open up. Once it opens up like this, come up to the three lines on the right hand side, click on it and a sub menu will appear. Okay, this is it. Now come over here to settings and privacy and click on it. Okay, now it's open up. We're going to click on account center, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking on that, we're going to come down here and click on personal details, so go ahead and click on personal details. Right here you can see your personal information, your contact info and your date of birth. So we're going to come down and click on account ownership and control. That's the next step we're going to, so come down here and click on it. Okay, so right here we're going to come down to deactivate or delete. So we have two options. We can either decide to deactivate the account or delete the account. So what we want to do is delete it. So we're going to come here and click on it. Go ahead and click on that. So after clicking on that, it reveals my account right here. You can see both of them. So I'm going to delete the one in the center right here, shopping, game and global. So let's go ahead and click on that. Once you click on it, we have this option right here, account, delete account. So it says on the delete account, deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. If you just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. Now, let's talk about deactivating the account. Deactivation says deactivating your account is temporarily, and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging in to your Instagram account. So I'm going to come over here to delete. Okay, so now let's come down to continue. Click on continue. So it says deleting your Instagram account. We're sorry to see you go. We do like to know why you are deleting your account, as we may be able to help with common issues. So these are some of the issues. Too busy / too distracting, want to remove something else, too many ads, privacy concern, created a second account. So I'm just gonna pick this one. So you can go ahead and pick anyone you want. So I'm just gonna go with the first one. So let's come up and click on continue. Then right here it says another account on Instagram. You are starting the deletion process for shopping, games and global. Make sure that you are deleting your duplicate account in order to avoid deleting the account that you would like to keep. So we're going to go ahead and click on continue. Click on continue. So right here I need to put in my password to complete your process. Here there is an option to forgot password. So I'm going to click it. Okay, so they sent me an email, so let me go over there. So this is the email they sent me. The reason why they sent me this email is because I forgot my password. So I'm going to request a reset. And now I'm going to put in a new password. It says create a strong password. Your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of number, letter and special character. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've put in the password. Now let's click on reset. Now we have the new password. I can now go ahead and delete the account. So let's go back and delete the account. Okay, now let's go back to the main page of Instagram. Now click on your profile picture, profile, then come up to the three lines, settings and privacy. come up to account center, then come over to personal details, then come down to account ownership and control, click on that, then come over to deactivation or deletion, click on it, then choose the account you want to delete. That's it. Then come down to delete, then click on continue, and come down. Okay, so my first choice I choose is not here again. Funny. Okay, so I'm just going to choose another one. Let's just say privacy consign. Then click continue. So it seems based on the different choices you choose, they already have like some solutions already. Said nothing is more important to us than your safety, so they already have something here already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on continue. So now I'm gonna type in the password that I just changed right here. And then let's come click on continue. So right here it says confirm permanent account deletion. So I'm going to confirm it. But let's read this message here. It says, if you continue with account deletion, your profile and account details will be deleted on 11th August 2023. You won't be visible on Instagram between now and then. You can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the process starts through account center or by logging in to your account Instagram account. So that is it. So let's go ahead and click on delete account, and that is it, guys. I've successfully deleted that account. So let's come boop. So if you come down, so if I come up here to click on this arrow, you notice I only have one account, that is this. Note that you can add multiple, you can create multiple Instagram accounts if you want to. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. You can go ahead and check out these other videos right here.